All the way home, Megan. All the way home. Yay! Right here. Right here. Did you want some water from Daddy?
No, thank you.
Okay, go outfield.
Guys, just wait.
It's okay. It's gonna go batty. Did he get a drink? He was wishing and hoping you'd be faster. Run, run, run! First base! Run, run, run! All the way to third! Run, run, run! All the way home, Cal, all the way home. Run faster! There you go.
Good job.
I miss Megan's hit.